think we did the greatest sponsorship around junior golf.
Well, now into matters football, Kwale United emerged as victorious 1-0 over AIC Congo AFC as the conclusion of the 2G Amin initiative, which ended in the coastal area, and that ensures that they are not only going home with a win, but also 250,000 Kenya shillings as prize money. That money is also supposed to be helping this team to ensure that they have training gears, they have their balls, and also to ensure that they are well off as a team, ensure that when they are going for their events anywhere, they are well covered in terms of transport, water, and all the necessary equipment they need to ensure that they play and perform so well. Now, let's take a look how things went down for Kwale United, and also for AIC Congo FC.
Our preparations for hii tournament ilikuwa positive. That's why tumeibuka kwa washindi hapa. Hii tournament imekuwa muhimu sana kwa vijana hususan wa hapa Pwani. Ukiangalia hapa Kisauni hususan kama umekuja mapema umejionea vile vijana wamepotea kwa sababu ya darati.
Our aim as to this tournament which we have played is to use our moments. The opponents, they had only 2 moments which they scored 1 goal, but us, we had many moments and we didn't use them. So coach wetu ameona and tutaanza lifanyia kazi kuanzia Jumatatu.
Season zimepita tumestruggle sana kwa upate games away na zingine tunaweza peana ukova hatuna hiyo fans, lakini sasa for the coming season niko short kwa poa na ita motivate sana ma player wenzangu.
Coast edition has really stood out for us in terms of we've been to various regions running various football tournaments, but I think we took a very deliberate move to settle on a community ground which is here at Freetown. I think bringing the sport, bringing the tournament and the competitiveness and the entertainment right inside the community, I think was a plus for the Coast region.
Well, as I told you, I'm in Kasarani for the Kenya